You've seen it before, plastic water bottles being pulled out of our rivers, lakes, and oceans every year. In fact, 13 tons are pulled out. It's so sad, but you know what? It doesn't have to be that way, and La-Z-Boy is doing something about it. They're making fabrics from plastic water bottles. Look at this. It's called Conserve Sustainable Fabrics. They're soft, they're durable, and they come in a variety of colors. And when you pair it up with natural and organic accessories, you know you're doing your part to keep our oceans and environment clean. And keeping with tradition is what people have come to expect with La-Z-Boy, so they test each one for safety, quality, and durability. And here's a little factoid. It takes 50 plastic bottles to cover one chair, 110 to cover a sofa. So at least if you're going to drink out of one of these, at La-Z-Boy, you'll be able to sit in one of these. La-Z-Boy Home Furnishings and Decor has 10 Arizona locations. Visit them at lazyboy.com or Facebook/La-Z-Boy of Arizona. Follow them on Instagram at La-Z-Boy AZ and be sure and ask about their free design services.